in the paradise of Costa Rica is the perfect environment to speak with you about the 5 most hydrating foods. First, when talking about hydrating foods, we have to start with watermelon. 96% water. No wonder when we drink it, we're just so hydrated. We feel really like we're drinking water. And this is a beautiful seeded watermelon. The stunning, colorful birds of Costa Rica go along perfectly with the beautiful green watermelon, rich with red inside. Cucumbers are also 96% water, a most hydrating food. Pineapple, a wonderful juicy fruit, is 95% water. We're getting so much hydration. Lettuces, here's romaine, also 95% water. And celery, again 95% water. Coconut, this is an amazing thirst quencher. Absolutely beautiful and delicious and hydrating. Just recently picked right from the tree here in Costa Rica. Now, even if you're not getting it directly picked from the tree, you are still going to get super hydrated with coconut water. Do you realize that the recommendation for 8 glasses of water a day while eating predominantly cooked food is still not enough water? You must be eating the water-rich foods. To get my free gift, the Hormone Boost Plan, which is packed with information about your health and those hydrating foods I'm talking about here and simple recipes, join my free Facebook group on how to get the best hormonal and gut health. And you can find that by looking in the description below, and I'll see you on the next video.